Question 4 is another calculator question, another 3-mark question. Solve algebraically and correct to 3 decimal places. Important to note the 3 decimal places because they love to take off a half mark or a mark here or there if you don't follow those directions. We should quickly see what to do here. Our exponents contain our variable, meaning the x's are caught in the exponents, and that's what we're trying to solve for. There's 2 ways of doing that. One, you don't use a calculator and you can make both bases the same. But if we look at our bases, they're 10 and 7. You can't use exponents to make those the same base somehow. So we're going to have to use option 2, which is log both sides. So log of 10 to the 3x equals log of 7 to the x plus 5. You can use ln, you can use log of any base. Ln is just log base e. I'm just using log, so basically base 10 at this point. The reason we do that is because once we're in logarithm form, you can bring the exponent to the front. So this 3x now comes down to the front. So it's 3x log of 10 equals x plus 5 log of 7. That's how these are always going to work. Now the rules are you expand, get everything with an x on one side, everything without an x on the other side, factor, and solve. So this is 3x. Log 10 is just 1, so I can get rid of that. So we have 3x equals x log 7 plus 5 log 7. So I'm just multiplying that bracket through the log 7. And again, everything with an x on one side. So I'm going to minus x log 7 over, and that equals 5 log 7. The reason we do that, I'll write it up here in green. The reason we do that is so we can now factor out an x, and we're left with 3 minus log 7 on the left side equals 5 log 7. And x, last step is to divide by the bracket. And we get x equals 5 log 7 over 3 minus log 7. Punch this in the calculator, and we get, I will write it up here in blue, the final answer. Once again, I'll do this live so that we can compare how long it takes. Divided by I get 9.230. Make sure you include that 0 as the 3rd decimal place.